Hi everyone, it's Cray Cray. Just want to acknowledge God first.
You want to be right here.
Cute dog.
I know, I'm sorry.
Cute little dog. Hi everyone, it's Cray Cray. How's everyone doing? Just going for a little walk. Let's go for a walk. All the dogs back there barking at each other. I go down here and see what's happening. How's everyone doing? It's a beautiful day for a beautiful walk. Sunny day. Let's just go for a walk and enjoy the scenery. A lot of tourists here in Canada now. A lot of tourists. Got some seals.